Nearly 3 years after former Richneck Elementary School teacher Abigail Zwerner was shot in her classroom by a student, the trial for her multi-million-dollar civil lawsuit against a former assistant principal at the school has reached a verdict. I'm News 3 reporter Cole Thranstad in Newport News, taking a look back at how we got here and what's next in this case. On January 6, 2023, a 6-year-old student pulled a gun out of a backpack and fired one shot, shooting Abby Zwerner in her classroom. The bullet went through her hand and into her chest, where testimony during the trial revealed it will stay for the rest of Zwerner's life. Zwerner initially sued Newport News Public Schools, which Richneck Elementary is a part of, and multiple employees. As the case moved forward, though, everyone except Richneck Assistant Principal Ebony Parker was dropped from the suit. During the trial, Zwerner testified, answering numerous questions from her and Parker's attorneys about the shooting and her life since then.
The last thing I remember at the school, obvious, I thought I was dying. I thought I had died. I thought I was either on my way to heaven or in heaven, but then it all got black.
The school district argued Zwerner should only get workers' comp and asked for the lawsuit to be thrown out, but the judge in the case disagreed and allowed the lawsuit to go to trial. The school district declined to comment Thursday on the verdict. Parker didn't appear to have any reaction when the verdict was read. The jury said Zwerner should get $10 million. Neither Parker nor her attorneys were available after court Thursday for an interview. Zwerner's attorneys, however, said motions will be filed in response to the verdict, but when that will happen and when the judge will rule on them was undetermined Thursday. Parker is scheduled to be back in court November 17th for a separate criminal trial related to the shooting. She is charged with 8 counts of child neglect and could spend up to 4 decades behind bars if convicted. In Newport News, Cole Thranstad, WTKR News 3.